My name is Jabulile Manyatsi. I'm from the Ministry of Commerce in the International Trade Department. I'm a trade policy analyst. In my role, I analyze policies and trade agreements for the betterment of Eswatini to align them with our national policy. My role in the ATO project, I was one of the ministry that was responsible for convening all stakeholders. And in that role, I was able to get hold of the concept notes, approve the implementation plan, and also the objectives of the project for Eswatini. So we were also tasked together with the Central Bank and the Central Statistic Office in selecting the priority sector, which we are here today about. As a Ministry of Trade, we are involved in negotiations for trade and services. So we think that this project is going to be helpful to us. It is going to provide us with some insights on the opportunities that are available to our business people out there. So when we are going for negotiations, we will be able to put out what the stakeholders need and in turn grow the economy of Eswatini. Data on other sectors, maybe the professional services sector, data on construction services, which will also help us to make better decisions as we prepare for our negotiations. So in the future, we would like to be capacitated on how to use the ATO tool as a department. And in addition to that, we would like maybe to explore integrating our national trade data systems with the ATO so that we are able to get real-time information that is realistic and that is going to help us to inform our decisions as policymakers.